Class 193, please. Call for Class 193 in the Highland section. Philly, 1 year old. So that's Class 193 in the Highland Pony section. Philly, 1 year old. This is standby.
And back the Charlie section, Robert Aitken, advised in Class 115 with Lowry Ideal. And second was Major David Walter from Balthier with Balthier Insignia.
Final call for the Highland Pony section, the Class 193, Philly to the ring, now please. And this is a call to Clydesdale section, Class 175, to the ring. That's the 3-year-old Philly in the Clydesdale section, Class 175 is to the ring, now please.